Stop using basic English. I'm teaching you 5 nature idioms that describe every person problem in your life. Down to earth meaning practical, sensible and realistic. Despite his success, he is still down to earth. To turn over a new leaf, start behaving better. He stopped being lazy and turned over a new leaf. Every cloud has a silver lining, finding good in bad situation. The trip was cancelled, but every cloud has silver lining. I got a full refund. Over the moon, extremely happy. He is over the moon after getting promotion. To bear a fruit, to achieve positive results or success, the hard work bears fruit. So, which idiom describes you the best today? Comment below and subscribe for more interesting idioms.